In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an HTML file into a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. This process is straightforward and can be very helpful if you're looking to save or share web content in a more robust printable format like PDF. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, Adobe Acrobat is a versatile tool, perfect for anyone who frequently works with PDFs. Once you have it open, look towards the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the File menu. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you'll choose Open. Now by default, Adobe Acrobat is set to open PDF files, but don't worry, we can easily adjust this. When the Open dialog box appears, you'll see a section labeled Files of Type at the bottom of the window. Click on this drop-down menu and select All Files. This allows Acrobat to show files of all types, not just PDFs. Next, navigate through your folders to find the HTML file you want to convert. Once you locate your HTML file, go ahead and select it. After selecting it, click the Open button in the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Acrobat will then start processing your file. This can take a few moments depending on the size and complexity of the HTML file, so be patient as it loads. Once loaded, it will automatically display as a PDF on your screen. Now that your content is in PDF form, you'll probably want to save it to ensure all your progress is captured. To do that, return to the File menu in the top left corner of your screen. This time, instead of Open, you're going to select Save As. When you click on Save As, a new dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose where and how to save your newly created PDF. You can select the destination folder in which you would like to save your file. Give it a suitable name to make it easy to find later. Once you've chosen the location and named your file, click on Save. And just like that, your conversion from HTML to PDF is complete. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to convert HTML files to PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. This method is not only efficient, but also preserves the content's layout and formatting, allowing for easy sharing and printing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now ready to transform your own files with ease. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to check out our other videos for more useful